Hey everyone, it's Lauren from Wildflowers here. I have some really exciting things to share with you today. The new Silicone Tool Set. This tool is perfect for making a scalloped edge out of gel polish. This tool is perfect for smoothing down protective base coat film, appliques, stickers, water tattoos, or anything that needs smoothing. This one's perfect for bumping your smile line into place when doing acrylic nails. This pointed tool makes the perfect smile line when using gel polish. The chisel tool cleans up the sidewalls and makes perfect points on hard gel pink and whites. This angled chisel works well for cutting acrylic. Clients with sensitive fingers will love the soft feel of this tool when pushing back the eponychium. The same tool works wonderfully when applying hard gel overlays. It fits perfectly into the cuticle area because of its round shape. And here's the angled chisel again. They work great for applying pink on a reverse application hard gel nail. The silicone tools are a great way to help with negative space nail art by giving a nice crisp edge. You'll never find a better tool for making white strings with hard gel to lay down your smile line. Again, here's the chisel tool. Works great for cleaning up gel polish. The chisel tool also works really well for mixing glitter into hard gel. And one last time, I'll show you the scallop just because it is a pretty awesome technique. Wildflower silicone tools are available in 3 colors, pink, blue, and purple, and you can find them at www.wildflowersnailshop.com.